Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and I have something awesome for you guys today. So if you're not a part of this channel, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We love to have you a part of this Queen's Nation. And don't forget to like these videos and turn on your notifications. And welcome back to all of my faithful oldie but goodies. Okay, so you can go and check me out at these platforms, and here we go. So I have some facial oil here that I just love to use. I just wanted to do a little demonstration of it. You will hear me saying I will demonstrate it later in this video, but I am doing it now so you guys can just continue to watch this video. And this is a facial oil cleanser. Is made with real organic rose petals. I don't know if I should say those two words together, but however I did. So let's get into this video. So I do have everything laid out for you already. This is about a third cup of the Versagel, and right here I have some dried organic rose petals. As you can see, the deep pinks and the burgundy colors with little bits of the lighter colors in there going on. And one thing I wanted to tell you guys about the benefits of rose petals. So the natural oils found in the roses help to retain moisture in the skin. This results in your skin feeling smooth and soft. The sugars in the rose petal especially benefits those with sensitive skin. Sounds really good. A rich source of vitamin C, beautiful, shiny, and glowy afterglow for the skin. Okay, so these are the benefits of these rose petals, and we're gonna use them in some lip gloss today on our lips. So I'm just going to be using my grapeseed oil for this, and some vitamin E, and a little bit of emollient, since we already have extra oil infused in this already, and we do know when they are in the moisture gloss like this, it helps it even better. So let's get on with this video. So like I said earlier, this is a third cup of the Versagel, and you know I like it warmed a little bit to get it a little loose, for that consistency not to be as stiff as it usually is. And so I'm just gonna use grapeseed oil. I'm using 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. So with this, I'm just gonna use like a peppermint or spearmint oil, just to give it a little cool little flavor or sense of feeling going on. Go ahead and stir it. Using like a tablespoon also of the vitamin E. And that should do it. So with a third cup of your Versagel, you need 2 tablespoons of your oil. If it's one oil that you're using, I used grapeseed oil. And then you're going to use a tablespoon of another oil that you're using. I used the vitamin E. And then I also used a teaspoon of the emollient. So I'm going to go ahead and dab a little bit of the peppermint oil I'm going to be putting some of my gold mica. These are little gold, fine, extra fine, glitter-like, but it's not bulky or anything. Just a little bit of that in it. And we're going to add some of the rose petals. That's what it looks like. Right here, the rose petals. And now I'm just gonna fill the 8mm wand tubes with these. So one of the things that I actually love to do with these rose petals are the facial oils, like the oil cleanser for example, and it really does an awesome job as an oil cleanser with these rose petals infused in it. Gosh, you're gonna love it. So I will be demonstrating this special facial oil for me cleanser rather, or you can just use it as an oil moisturizer, and I will tell you the benefits of this also. This is the grapeseed oil. Vitamin E, and I'm telling you guys, this is so awesome. Then you can get your little tweezer and put the rose petals in. I'm telling you why I use grapeseed oil, because I have very oily skin, and grapeseed oil is especially for oily skin, okay? So I'm just gonna use my tweezer, hang this over here, and drop a few of these in. And this is the perfect combination for my skin, okay? When those petals are infused some more, this is the best combination that you can ever satisfy your face with. So I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. We have come to the end of it, as you can see, and I hope it was very informative for you guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye bye.